Have you ever wondered how to use Google Sheets for your math homework, or how to share your work with your friends, or even how to turn your numbers into a beautiful chart? Well, today is your lucky day because you're about to unravel the magic of Google Sheets. First off, let's dive into the world of addition and subtraction. Imagine you have a bunch of apples and pears and you want to know how many fruits you have in total. In Google Sheets, you simply type in the number of apples in one cell, the number of pears in another, and then use the addition function to get the total. The magic formula looks like this: equal sign A1 plus B1. It's like asking Google Sheets, what's the sum of the number in cell A1 and the number in cell B1? Isn't that fantastic? Now let's say you ate some of those fruits and want to know how many you have left. That's where subtraction comes into play. The subtraction function is just as easy to use as the addition function. All you need to do is replace the plus sign in the formula with a minus sign. So, equal sign A1 B1 will give you the result of the number in cell A1 minus the number in cell B1. Next up is the art of chart plotting. Say you want to visualize the number of fruits you've been eating over the week. You simply highlight the cells with your data, click on Insert, then Chart, and voila! You have a beautiful chart showing you your fruit consumption. It's like a piece of art, isn't it? Now, what if you want to share your masterpiece with your friends? Google Sheets makes that super easy. You just click on the Share button on the top right corner, type in your friend's email address, and hit Send. Your friend will then receive an email with a link to your Google Sheet. It's like sending a letter, but faster and cooler. Finally, if you want to have a copy of your work in Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets has got you covered. You just go to File, then Download, and choose Microsoft Excel. Your sheet will then be downloaded to your computer in the Excel format. It's like having your cake and eating it too. In summary, Google Sheets is a powerful tool that can help you with your math homework, create beautiful charts, share your work with friends, and even convert your sheets into Excel files. It's like having a magic wand that turns numbers into knowledge. So why not give it a try and see the magic unfold?